Hello, good evening, guys. Today we will be learning how to apply makeup to photos. So I'll just come here to my airbrush because I already sent the photo to my airbrush. So I'll just come here. Okay, let me just go back up to something. Okay. So this is the original picture. So now you come to this smooth. So you can choose your brush size, whether you want it large or small. I prefer mine to be like this. You can choose the brush intensity. So mine, I prefer it like this. So you don't need a specific number. You know when it is okay for you. So you just go ahead, brush it. Just go ahead and brush it. You can see the difference. It's coming out clearly. You can see it now. Before, after, before, after. You can see very clearly. This is after and this is before, how it was. This is after. So you just click here. Now, how to add makeup to photos. Okay, you just come to makeup. I would have preferred you use First Apple, but First Apple you have to subscribe to all of them before you'll be able to use those makeup. So we are going to come to natural because we don't want to apply a makeup that doesn't fit the one she has already. So we're just going to choose one from here. So I'll come to natural, then choose this one, luminous. So from there, you can see now how it was, how it is, how it was, how it is. So after that, you just come to okay, you just click it here, come to retouch. Already we are in retouch. You want to brighten the eye, so I prefer using alto here. Now you can see the eye is too bright. We want to reduce the brightness. You just come here. We've reduced the brightness now. You can see before, after, before, after. Just click it. Then your makeup is done. Like, you are done editing the makeup now. You can see very well how it was and how it is now. How it was and how it is. So you just come here and save it.